Frigidaire refrigerator model FFFFU16F2VW error codes. Keep frozen food accessible with this 15.5 cubic feet Frigidaire upright freezer. The adjustable shelves, baskets and door bins let you make the most of the available space, while the floor projected power on indicator makes monitoring the appliance easy. This Frigidaire upright freezer has high temperature and door ajar alarms to help prevent food spoilage. Error codes. Code: OP in freezer temperature display. Problem: freezer temperature sensor open. Fix: unplug the refrigerator and check wiring connections between the freezer temperature sensor and the electronic control board. Code: SH in freezer temperature display. Problem: freezer temperature sensor shorted. Fix: unplug the refrigerator and disconnect the freezer temperature sensor from its wire harness. Code: OP in refrigerator temperature display. Problem: refrigerator temperature sensor open. Fix: unplug the refrigerator and check wiring connections between the refrigerator temperature sensor and the electronic control board. Code: SH in refrigerator temperature display. Problem: refrigerator temperature sensor shorted. Fix: unplug the refrigerator and disconnect the refrigerator temperature sensor from its wire harness. Code: SI-EF. Problem: evaporator fan circuit failure. Fix: unplug the refrigerator and check the evaporator fan wire harness connection in the freezer. Code: SI-CE or SI-CF. Problem: communications failure between the electronic control board and user interface. Fix: unplug the refrigerator and check the wire harness connections between the user interface and the electronic control board.